My background is that I'm a classically trained marketer. So I worked at P&G for several years, and the fundamental technique in marketing is having the right message and delivering it to someone that's going to take action based on that message. And that hasn't changed much.
How did you get to focus on data-driven marketing and programmatic marketing today?
What is available to us now is a dramatically different engagement model. And that engagement model is highly digital driven. And what that means is that we are able to do on a one-to-one personalized basis what we couldn't do 20 years ago.
Companies with 3M size and scope now sit on a mountain of newly actionable data if they can unlock its value.
We get 100 million visitors each year on some of our websites. So being able to know who they are, what behaviors they exhibited at scale, and be able to use that to then say, okay, this is the traffic we value, and this is the type of visitors that we want to bring back, using that information to automate how we fire up the next 5 campaigns and be able to find like-minded or like behaviored customer sets. And doing it at scale is critical for us without adding enormous headcount and without adding significant new costs to how we go to market.
It was interesting to hear Rao's thoughts on how 3M makes that happen.
You have to rapidly redeploy teams and be able to give them new skills to be able to do programmatic marketing. And the only way of doing that is to have the right partnership in place and to know exactly what you want your marketers to be able to do. So for us, programmatic marketing has been about embracing the right platform, not just embracing it as a philosophy and doing it. So we've re-platformed our digital tool set to be able to do real-time bidding, for example.
He also said that it's not practical to build the tools in-house.
That's the only way for a company of our scope and size to be able to rapidly transform the DNA that's required for us to win at scale. If we try to organically build this out, by the time we build it, it'll probably be irrelevant. So it's probably better for us to buy time and be relevant now, because that for us is ROI. Everything else is just an excuse to not win now. And I feel that companies like DataXu are very well positioned to step in and provide that clarity that's required to know what is it that you want your customers to do, rather than worry about which 250 different social channels should I be marketing through to win.